Hey there, welcome to this video where I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to make viral AI content which you can use to grow a social media page and monetize it, or you can use it to deliver services such as a commercial video ad for your client and they are going to pay you money for doing that. We are going to be using this best AI video generator tool known as Higgsfield AI to be able to do this. So if you want to learn how you can be able to create viral AI content for your social media handles or for your clients, then this is a video you do not want to miss. So here is a glimpse of a commercial video that we are going to be recreating for our clients. All right, so one of our clients sent us this video of his competitor that he wants us to be able to remodel and create something very similar but not exactly the same, just like this particular video, for their own brand. Okay, so right now I'm going to be walking you through how we're able to do this for him so that you can be able to see how you can do it for your own clients. So to get started, go to the video description of this particular video. You are going to see the link right there, higgsfield.ai/create-video. Now go ahead and click on that particular link right now. So once you click on that link, you are going to land right here on your Higgsfield dashboard. Okay, but if you do not get to this particular place, all you simply have to do is just to hover over to video section. You are going to see this create video, generate AI videos. Go ahead and click on it and you are going to land right here. Now you are not going to be seeing any scene right here just like you're seeing from my own right now, because I have already gone ahead to generate these videos or this similar video type for my clients, which I'm going to play for you guys towards the end of this video so that you can see how we're able to replicate the video that he gave us and we're able to create it for his own brand. And we use this particular tool right here known as Higgsfield AI video creation tool to be able to do this. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you through how we're able to do this right now. Okay, now to get started towards making this video, now the first thing right here is the frame. Now under the frame, you can see you can be able to add a start frame and also an end frame. Now this is actually if you want to be able to determine how your video gets started and also how it was able to end, right? You want to determine how it looks so you can be able to lock it in immediately right here. Okay, or you can also go to the ingredients section where you can be able to upload up to 3 images to define the characters that you're going to be using for your videos. Okay, but right now these things are optional, so we are not going to be going with it because we are going to be defining everything right here under our prompt. Now the next thing right here is your prompt. Okay, so go ahead right now and describe the scene you imagine right here. Add every details, how you want it to come out, the timing and the different scenes that you're going to be having. You can be able to include this right here. I'm going to be showing you how we do that. Okay, now also if you need a multi-shot made, you can go ahead and turn this particular thing on. Okay, but I don't normally like to do this because I like to use different scenes to break it down how I want it to be. Okay, under model, you can be able to go ahead and select the models that actually matches your goal. Okay, so you can see that there are different models that we have right there. So if you are trying to create a cinematic multi-shot video creation, you can go ahead and select this one right here. Okay, now it all depends on what you are going for, but right now the one we are going for right now is a precision video with sound control, and it's going to provide a high quality cinematic video creation for us. Okay, so that's the particular model that we have chosen right here. Now when it comes to quality, now it depends on the quality you want. You can go with 720p or 780p. We are going to be going with 1080p right now. Now also aspect ratio depends on how you want your video to appear. If it's going to be on a desktop, you can choose this 16:9 ratio, or you can choose this 9:16 ratio. Now this is measuring for like mobile phones and all that. Okay, now when it comes to duration, it has 4 seconds, 6 seconds and 8 seconds. Okay, so right now I kept it at 8 seconds, and that's why you can see majority of my videos that I've generated using this, you know, is capped at 8 seconds, as you can see right here. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you how I was able to create this particular video that you're seeing right here. And like I said, I'm going to play it towards the end so that you can see what we're able to come up using this tool alone. So now when it comes to prompting, like I said, you can describe the scene you imagine right here. Okay, but since our clients already sent us a video of the competitor that they would like to model, so all I simply did is to go ahead and turn that video to a test prompt. Okay, so right now if you take a look right here, you can see that I've been able to turn the video to a test prompt, and also it provided a scene breakdown, what is going to happen from 0 seconds to 0.01 seconds, and you know the different action, dialogue, the background sound, you know, scene 2. You can see that it goes from 0.1 seconds to 0.2 seconds. Now why these seconds are very good is because remember that we are going to be creating videos in 8 seconds interval. All right, so we're going to go ahead and select this scene 1 right now, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to stop at this particular scene 5. Okay, now the reason why I'm stopping at scene 5 right now is if you take a close look right here, you can see that this scene 5 actually stop at 0 to 08 seconds. Okay, so we don't want it to pass. I'm going to go ahead and copy it right now. Now once I copy it, I'll just go back right here to my prompt and paste that exact prompt. Okay, now once I've done this, all I simply need to do, since I've already set up everything that I want to set up right here, as you can see, I've set up the quality, the ratio, the duration of the video. All I need to do is to go ahead and click on generate. Okay, so once I click on this generate, as you can see, this tool will go ahead and start, it's going to be in queue very soon. It will turn to preparing and it will start generating this first thing that I just added right here. Okay, and like I said, you can easily generate these scenes. Okay, there are different AI tools out there that can help you to turn a video to a text prompt, okay, and even help you to provide all these scenes and actions and things that should be said in the video and the things that should be showing in the background and all these things, because this is actually what is going to help you, so that once you are posting it right here on this tool already know what you need and it's going to generate that for you. Now while it's loading right here, let's continue. Now what I'm going to do next, once this particular one is loading right now, is to go back to this particular scene right here. So you can see we stopped at scene 5, right? So I'm going to go ahead and select from scene 6. Okay, so scene 6 started from 0.7 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead right now and stop at so I will stop at 0.12 seconds. Now the reason why I don't want to extend to 0.17 seconds, you can see that scene 9 stop at 0.17 seconds, and this is already above 8 seconds from what Higgsfield AI can be able to handle when it comes to generating its AI videos. Okay, so right now we are going to be stopping in this 0.12 seconds. So I'll go ahead and copy it. So once I copy it right now, I'll go back right here, remove this prompt I have right here, put another prompt and click on generate. So as you can see, it's in queue. So let's go and see if our first video is done loading. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the first video is done loading. So if I go ahead and play it right now, so you can see what it's showing us right now. Okay, so as you can see, this is just what is showing us just from the prompt that we'll just put right here. Okay, so if there is something that you do not like right here, all you simply have to do is just to go over right here and click on reuse. Okay, so let's say that we don't like this man that is standing right now, maybe we want him to be moving towards the car. So all we simply have to do is just to come over right here to the scene, determine the exact scene where it happened right now, and go ahead and add that we want the man to be moving towards the gray dark pickup trucks. Okay, so once we have made the changes that we want, just make sure that you watch the video very well to be able to implement the changes. Go ahead and click on generate again, and what it's going to do is going to maintain that same video and everything that you like about that particular video, and make the extra changes that you want him to make, so that you can be able to blend in properly to what your client is looking to achieve. Okay, so this is how you will keep going, adding prompts right here that you want to go ahead and generate these scenes using this Higgsfield AI video generator tool. So once you have keep on doing that, all you simply do is just go right here, copy your prompt, go back to Higgsfield or paste it right here, or you can go ahead and type in your prompt right here describing what you want to achieve. Now once you have been able to get all the things that you will need, now all we simply need to do is just to go ahead and use any editing tool out there to be able to join all these scenes that you're seeing right here together. Okay, so that's basically what we did. Once we have been able to generate all the scenes that we needed right here using this Higgsfield AI, now we went ahead to use a video editing tool right now to go ahead and generate this particular scene that you're seeing right here. Okay,
this is raw performance. Better, stronger, tougher. Because when the time comes, you want something that performs like a champion.
They ain't talking about the truck.